Here are 50 affirmations to motivate you to exercise. I am strong and capable, and I am ready to exercise. Exercising gives me energy and vitality. Every workout brings me closer to my fitness goals. I love taking care of my body and moving it. I feel proud of myself every time I engage in physical activity. Exercising is an investment in my health and well-being. I feel amazing after every workout session. I look forward to the positive changes that exercise will bring to my body. Every step I take during exercise brings me closer to success. I am determined to become stronger and fitter. My body is powerful and capable of amazing achievements. I enjoy the challenges and victories that come with exercising. Exercise helps me release stress and tension. I deserve to take care of myself and exercise. I give myself permission to make time for physical activity. I am grateful for my body and the ability to move. Every workout session is an opportunity to push my limits. I appreciate the benefits that exercise provides for my body and mind. I am committed to my fitness goals, and exercise brings me closer to them. I give myself permission to have fun while exercising. Exercising helps boost my self-confidence. I am focused and determined to improve my health through exercise. I feel proud of myself for every effort I put into my training. I am capable of growth and improvement through regular physical activity. Every day I exercise, I am taking good care of my body. I am stronger than my excuses not to exercise. Exercise is an opportunity to strengthen my mind and rejuvenate my body. I enjoy the feeling of satisfaction after an intense workout. I appreciate the resilience and perseverance that exercise instills in me. I am determined to achieve my fitness goals, no matter how long it takes. Exercise is a priority in my life because I value my health. I feel powerful and vibrant when I am active. I look forward to the progress I will make through exercise. I am disciplined and dedicated to my exercise routine. Every workout session brings me closer to the best version of myself. I am motivated to exercise because I know it is taking care of myself. I am grateful for the accomplishment that exercise gives me. Exercise is a moment where I can fully focus on myself and my well-being. I enjoy the challenges that come with exercising because I know I am growing. I am grateful for the many ways exercise makes my body stronger. I let go of all excuses and take responsibility for my own health. Every workout session is an opportunity